Alright guys, I picked this HART combo 5-tool combo kit up at, believe it or not, I got it at Big Lots. And they told me it was a buyout, so apparently Walmart's selling some of their old combo kits cheaper, or getting rid of them. But this was $99.99 at Big Lots. Comes with 2 batteries, fast charger. Comes with all the tools you see here. You know, drill, impact, drill, light, circular saw. I believe it's 6.5 inches, and the reciprocating saw. But yeah, I looked these up online. I'll show you. I'll put a screenshot of it up on the screen. I believe it was they were selling these for $238, so I couldn't pass it up. I mean, 2 of those batteries alone are almost $100 just to go buy 2 of those batteries. So yeah, I picked that up, and I don't have my tripod down here, so I'm a little wiggly. We'll get this. Let me get this box open, and we'll take a look at the stuff. Okay, so I got the top open. I unzipped this. Apparently it comes with a carrying pack. Let's see here what we got. To excuse the lighting, I'm in my basement. You get your usual instructions. Yeah, all your instructions for all your tools. Get a blade, your saw, a couple other blades with a reciprocating saw. And also we got there some more directions or some crap. Alright, what do we got in here? We'll get to it all. I'm never going to get this back in the box. Alright, this is the flashlight. Just hook your battery on there. I don't know how many looms that is. See what else we got. You know what, let me get this stuff out of the box, it'll be easier. Okay guys, I'm back. Okay, this is what you get. You get these 2 batteries, which are 2 amp hour, 20 volt. You get the charger, 2 amp charger. You get the circular saw, 20 volt. Of course, well, it's all 20 volt. Battery on there. You get your regular drill. You get an impact drill. I guess that's what they call it. I think that's what it is. An impact driver. You get your sawzall. And we've already seen the flashlight. But yeah, I mean, all that for $100. Like I said, it's regular. I think it was $238 on the site. Like I said, I'll throw a screenshot up. And yeah, you just can't beat it. Like I said, I got it at Big Lots. They said it was a closeout, because when you go to Walmart, I scanned it with the Walmart app, and it takes you to their website, and it says temporarily out of stock. And that's the screenshot I showed you. So yeah, that's a pretty good deal. Like I said, go buy 2 of them batteries, it's probably almost $100. And plus you're getting all the tools. I don't know what they charge for these tools separately. Okay guys, that's it.